it's me, Ice. I hope you're all doing well today. Today I wanted to use a brand new skin tint from SAIE. I've been liking clean makeup, simple makeup. I don't know why. It's just quicker and I could leave the house. I've been liking that whole routine of simple makeup. And on top of that, I've been taking care of my skin, so it's been paying off with the lemon water. So I'm gonna use the SAIE Gloss and Dip. So I'm excited to try these today. Items I also got from Sephora that I had to restock on. I got a mini version of the Ilia Blue Light Mist, just a mini one because I still have my Charlotte Tilbury and I want to use all of that. Got two skincare products here. I got the Wishful Yo Glow, love this. So I got the topicals like hyperpigmentation. So I use it on my dots, like dark spots, so I could lighten. So I had to get a mini version of that. Been dying to get this, and it's the Pharmacy Lip Smoothie Apple. I tried it on my TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. It's TikTok at Ice Loves Beauty, and I tried it and it's really, really nice. The consistency is very jelly-like. So I went ahead and prepped my lips with the Too Faced lip injection right here. That is my holy grail. I love how it preps my lips. I'm gonna go and try this Ilia Blue Light Mist on my face. By the way, I have SPF on. Next, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. You guys, if you've been here, you know. If you know, you know. All over my lid. And please, when you apply it, don't wait for it to dry, because when you wait for it to dry, there will be like, it'll get really like chalky a little bit, and I personally don't like that because it gets in the way of like my mascara, and you could tell that there's some type of white like residue from the primer. So I like to apply it and then hurry up and put that all over my lid. Guys, I also haven't really been putting on any lashes. I don't know why. I don't know what has gone into me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the SAIE foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and just shake it right quick because it is kind of like watery. So I'm gonna pump here. I'm gonna put 1 and 2. I find that interesting because usually, I don't know guys, I feel like I'm a brand new person a little bit. Just gonna spread this everywhere on my face. It smells kind of, ooh, it's kind of, the smell's pretty loud. I'm just gonna grab my favorite brush by Juvia's Place and start putting that all over my face. I never really wore a tint. I think I purchased one a while back. I forgot what it was, but I never really got into it. Oh, by the way, if you're gonna shade match, I shade matched online at Sephora.com. I got a little nervous because the color looked darker. I usually, like when I order a foundation online, I like to shade match before I even walk out of the store to be safe and sure that it is the right one. So this is what it's giving so far. I like it. I like it. It's very simple. I'm not gonna put any on the neck. I feel like it kind of matches my neck. So I have a few product left, so I'm gonna just tap that into my ooh, I'm trying to avoid my under eye area because I'm gonna go and brighten that up a bit. I'm gonna put a little a Huda Beauty here on. Put a little here, put a little there. This is I love this concealer from her. It's in Granola, and then here I'm gonna go ahead and put Praline on like my nose area, like here, here, here. I'm gonna do one more spritz of this. That's all I'm gonna do. Everyone, so I went ahead and put everything together. This is what it's looking like so far. Honest with you guys, if I were to leave the house I would not even bother to conceal or lighten my skin. Like lighten, the main areas like here and everywhere else. I was like, no, I would just pour a skin tint. Put on some mascara, maybe that vitamin, that pharmacy little balm, and call it a day, to be honest with you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get my Kimchi Chic and put it on like my under eye, just lightly to pat. Wow, those curls are big. Like a lot of powder, they're like, that's not the correct way. The correct way is to make it look pretty seamless. Like you can't tell like what I did here. They said that's what you want to do. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Sephora Collections brow product here. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a pro at brows. I kind of just leave my brows alone because I've been getting it a little wrong, but I think I'm just gonna lightly put some color here, like a little some darkness like that. That's really nice. So let's do it here. Gotta be careful on this side because I don't want to do too much there. I just want it to look a little like seamless. I think I'm gonna stop right there, as long as it's, there's a fade. Now I'm gonna do my eyes, and I'm gonna it's gonna be simple. I'm not gonna do too much. I like the look I did a minute ago on my guitar Instagram. I did this beautiful seamless look. I loved it, and I was like, I need to do this more often. So I'm gonna go in my Charlotte Tilbury here and start just on my eyelids here. Drag that out a little bit. Alright, so this is what it's looking like, and this is all mainly from here. Of course, you saw me with the Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm just gonna dust off any any excess powder. I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face. I mean, I've hit pan pretty much. I love this thing so badly. I've been using this for a long time, and it's just so seamless, of course, and glowy. I never really got around using the cream bronzer. I'm using the Huda Beauty one, but if anyone's used that cream bronzer, let me know what you think. I heard a lot of good things about it. Now I'm gonna do my nose. Lord, what is it? I'm always like not getting the right brush for my nose. Why? I'll go ahead and use my Charlotte Tilbury blush here in Cheek Chic. I'm gonna go in with Rare Beauty Wise lip pencil, Huda Beauty Staycation in the center of my lip. I'm literally done with this. Nothing is left. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use the SAIE Beauty dip. I'm excited for this. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of brightness in my inner corner, so I'm gonna go into the Golds palette by Huda Beauty. This palette is beautiful. This little quad, I love this thing. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. Guys, so I lined my lips and now I'm gonna go in with the SAIE dip. I have a good feeling about this, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Scent. This smells like the skin tint. This smells like the skin tint. Very heavy. It smells like castor oil or something. It has that smell. It's definitely beautiful, but you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wear an eyelash. I'm gonna go in with my favorite, of course, the Sonia's by Dang Lashes for this look. Alright everyone, this is the final look. I went a little heavy-handed here, so please forgive me. I really like the foundation. I think it's beautiful. It's very simple. I just went ahead and just added a little contour, but next time, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I like this. This is really beautiful. It is so nice, skin-like. This is right up my alley, and it's so simple, and I love that. Guys, like, what do you think? I really like this, and Kim Tai got me onto this because her skin looks so good all the time when she does mukbangs, and she was talking about it in her vlogs, and she just looked very beautiful and like porcelain. And I said, you know, I've been really digging like the simple look, so I went ahead and got this I think retailed for $36, and it's a skin tint. Can't go wrong with that. It's great for like every day, not too heavy. And guys, I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. I think it's so pretty. And the lip gloss from SAIE, I think this was $20-something. I'm not sure. It's not bad. If you want to splurge, go ahead, but it's beautiful, and if you have the money, do it. I really like this. I think it's beautiful, and it's something you could definitely travel with, put in your purse. You could. The crows are out. I don't know what's going on out there. I say yes to the skin tint. It's a yes for me. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you for being here and watching my video. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.